All right, family, how you doing? Welcome back to your very own channel, Travel Walk to and Beyond. This is your host Nitin, and today marks the end of the 27th or 28th day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge, and it's been going great so far. Made some progress, almost about to complete the month, so feeling really great and excited about it. I see Sachin Pandit join. Hi Sachin, how are you? So 3 rounds of the approximately 3 kilometers park, like I said, and very tiring and exhaustive today, but at the same time feels very accomplishing because it was 1.5 rounds of walking, brisk walking, and then it was the rest of it was slow running, and I tried like a single sprint burst, so it felt great. The only hiccup is the foot. Now that the blister is healed completely and I've got the insoles for more comfort, the new challenge is the calcaneus bone. So I've been taking what do you call it? Calcium supplements for that, but at the same time also that German turnip, Kolari or Kolari, that I told you about, but it's gonna take a while before it heals and I'm able to do proper running. But all in all, a good progress so far. Just really excited to complete the 4 weeks. It already has. So tomorrow is going to be start of the next week, the 5th week. So it's going to be brisk walking again, and what I'm thinking is I'll try to bring in a bit of not sprinting but slow running to cover up, but not for this week. Probably I'll keep it to just walking, brisk walking, maybe a day or two in between slow running until I keep taking these supplements and the natural source of Kolari or German turnip to see how it goes. So hopefully if there is some improvement in a week, then I'll be able to do the running, proper running as I intend to. So let's see how it goes. That's all for today. So what about you guys? Are you planning to start? If not, then start already. There's no better time to start than start right now. It's the winter time. It's going to be tougher than the summers. Effort-wise, it's going to be the same, but might be more heat and might sweat, and you'll have to keep check of the timings that you go then, cooler timings. Right now it doesn't matter, you can go any time of the day, morning, evening or afternoon, you'll be fine.
This is the way out, yeah?
Way out?
बाहर जाने का.
Just reverse a bit, go straight from here. take a left and then again take a right from the.
Oh, thanks, thanks.
Where do you have to go?
Out on the main
No,
road.
out, but where do you have to go eventually?
Horse
Huh?
Horse
House class. So why don't you just put house class in GPS in the
Thanks, yeah.
Huh? But go straight from there. Okay. Somebody was asking the way out. So, just walking back. So, end of the day. That's all. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Hanuman. Har Har Mahadev. Bye bye.